Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Instant Pot Lux 60 V3 V36 QT6 in 1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté, steamer, and warmer. Instant Pot Lux 6 QT multi-cooker combines 6 kitchen appliances in 1 pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté, steamer, and warmer. Prepares dishes up to 70% faster to support your busy lifestyle. Built with the latest 3rd generation microprocessor technology, up to 240 minutes pressure cooking, up to 24 hours delay start, automatic keep warm up to 10 hours, 3 temperatures in sauté and slow cook. Healthy stainless steel, 18/8 inner cooking pot made from food grade 304, no chemical coating, 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution. Fully sealed environment traps the flavors, nutrients and aromas within the food. Power supply, 120 V to 60 Hz. Power, 1000 watts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.